Hello, welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Mastering Excel 365 Basics. My name is Kathy Jones. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer, and I've been consulting on and teaching Excel for over 25 years. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for analyzing data, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for users who know the basic elements of Excel and want to learn additional features. We'll start with opening and saving a workbook, modifying rows and columns, and managing worksheets. Next, we'll discuss absolute references, create and use named ranges, and use logical and conditional functions. We will also trace formulas and address formula errors. From there, we'll discuss different types of formatting, including alignment options, borders and shading, and number and date formats. We'll also learn how to reuse formatting using Format Painter and styles and apply themes. Then we'll look at how to change chart types and modify chart source data. We'll also create tables and pivot tables. In our last lessons, we'll look at printing your workbook. We'll modify settings, change page breaks and scaling, and insert headers and footers. By the end of this course, my hope is that you'll know how to use many of the basic features of Excel 365 and use them to format and analyze your data. As you go through this course, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you. The files I'm using in the course are available to download if your platform supports them, so you can do the same activities right along with us.